What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, the perfect place for coaches, service providers, and entrepreneurs, specifically industry experts looking to convert your content and scale your business and monetize it online. So today I want to talk about analytics and metrics, specifically why focusing on vanity metrics is actually hurting the growth of your business. And I'm going to tell you why. So while vanity metrics look great on paper, they actually don't look great for your bottom line. Specifically because if you're focusing on growth in regards to the number of followers, the number of likes, the number of views, you're focusing on the wrong thing. It doesn't matter if you have 100,000 followers. There are people who have 100,000 followers. I know them, who are sleeping on a mattress, who are unsure how they're going to pay the rent next month. And then there are business owners I know who only have less than 3,000 followers, yet they're killing it. They're rolling in the money because why they're not focused on the vanity metrics. They're focused on quality conversions and quality audience members. So you don't want to focus particularly on followers. You want to focus on active followers, and that goes into focusing on quality versus quantity. And this is important for your business because it's going to help create more brand awareness, more brand recognition. And naturally, you want the number to be big as possible when it comes to quality and not quantity. And I know there's a lot of you who make the mistake is you're focusing on this vanity metric. And so you want to grow your account organically, but you're focusing on the wrong thing, or you have the wrong strategy, meaning that you're going after followers and you're following them. And then if they don't follow back, you unfollow them, but they're really not the person that you're looking to attract for your business. And so you're going about it all the wrong way. Or you've paid for bots to come and engage with your account or follow your account. And I'm guilty of that. When I first started Instagram, I was focused specifically on vanity metrics. I just felt like I needed to have this huge following to be successful. But I quickly learned that was not the right route. I had paid a company. I don't even know what they're called anymore. I don't even know if they exist. But I only had a couple hundred followers at the time. And I really wanted to get to 1,000 followers. So I paid this company who would go out and engage with similar people that were related to the content I was putting out, engage with their followers, like and follow their followers, and then go and unfollow them shortly after. And this really isn't building genuine relationship or genuine rapport, which I didn't know then, but I do know now. So rather than going that strategy, you want to create clear messaging that's going to attract active followers and an active audience that truly is engaged with the content that you are putting out, that it really resonates with them. They can identify with it. For example, I'm a mom, you might be a mom, and that's why you're here. Or similar values, meaning family is a big value for me. And if family is a really big value for you, and you see that I'm putting out, I'm spending time with my son, I'm spending time with my family, and that's something that you can resonate with. Not only are you a mom, but family is big for you too. You're naturally like, okay, I can connect with this individual. And when you're doing it that way, you are focusing on nurturing your audience. You are focusing on talking to them, creating content for them versus it always being about yourself. And when you do that, you're going to attract the right audience. And next, let's talk about going viral. Everyone today wants to go viral so bad. So you're putting out content to get more eyes on your page. And what I've learned based off of two of my accounts, I have a family account and then my other business, the Brand Training University, my business partner created a post and it went viral. And here's the example. We've gotten a lot of views, over almost 300,000 views on this post, lots of comments. But then when I go through the followers and I'm going to engage with them to see if there could be a potential client, a lot of them actually are not even in our niche, but they like the content. They connected with the sound, or they thought, oh, I love your hair, certain things that attracted to that piece of content, but they're really not our audience. Yes, we have gained a few that actually are our clients, but there is a large percentage that is not. Then here's another example. This is my family page. We did a post with some of our married friends who we dress like our spouse, and this has almost 700,000 views and like 800 comments. It's overwhelming. But yet, you know, we're not really pushing anything on that page, and we haven't increased our followers. And a lot of that audience is just looking for humor. So if they came to the page and it's not resonating with what they're really looking for, they're not going to follow and they're not going to engage. And so sometimes I've seen accounts where you have a viral post, but yet your audience grows, but they're really not there for the right reasons. They're not there for what you have to offer. And so you want to think about creating content that is actually clear and speaks to, again, your audience. So knowing who your avatar is, what is the outcome that they're looking to achieve? Like specifically, not, oh, I want to lose 10 pounds, but I want to feel confident in the boardroom when I'm presenting in front of my peers, or I want to feel sexy in the bedroom and feel confident when I take off my clothes for my husband. You know, something more specific than I just want to lose 10 pounds. Why do they want to lose 10 pounds? That's just an example. Next, post reach versus clicks. And what I mean by that is your content could go out and reach a huge audience. But is that audience actually clicking on your content and then actually engaging in the comments, resharing, sharing it in their story, commenting, oh my gosh, this is so good, or going to click the link in your bio? You want the purpose of your content to be so good that not only they click, but they're interested in what you have to offer to lead to a follow, and then nurture them throughout, you know, the next couple of weeks, or they just, your content's so good, so they binge it, and now they're reaching out and they're sending you a DM like, how do I work with you? And that ties into action versus engagement. Actions can be performed on your page or your profile, and these are metrics that show how people are actually interacting with your content. So to see your analytics, you really want to go to that little button on your page that says insights and click on that, and it will show you a detailed outline about who your audience is, what time they're interacting, where are they located, and so forth. And then also you can see what content is performing the best. And by knowing that, you can see who's liking, who's making this a favorite, who's resharing, who's saving, and who is actually replying in the comments. And at the end of the day, the main metric that you want to focus on is conversions. So you want your content to be converting, and that means 2 sales, $2 for your business, and people turning into paid clients. And that is why you want to make sure you're tracking your numbers. You should be looking at your numbers every single day. After you post a piece of content, you should go check out the analytics that day, and then 3 days. How is it performing? Is this a good piece of content that I should create more content like this? Or maybe I should create less content based off of the conversions. And really the metrics that you want to focus on are you attracting genuine followers? Are they actually engaging with your content? Meaning they're commenting, they're saving, they're sharing. And saves are actually a lot more important than shares, because it means like they're really resonated with and they're going to come back to reference that piece of content. And then how many clicks are you getting in your bio? And from those clicks, are people actually converting to join your email list or your opt-in offer? And then from that opt-in offer, are they being nurtured in sequence to become a client? And personally, I myself am in this huge transition. I went from, as you saw, the fitness content, then I went to the prego content, then I went to the mommy content, and now is what you see here today. And so, yes, my audience is at a good size, but I'm now working to pivot and reshift my audience. And that's why the content that I have been creating is actually starting to convert. I'm getting the right audience, the right eyes. People are engaging, people are clicking, and people are converting. And that is the ultimate goal. You want to create those connections that lead to conversion. So ultimately, you can convert to scale your business. So I hope you found this video very valuable. Please make some comments in below what else you would like to see on future videos. But as always, please like, please share, and please subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.